Greetings. Welcome to my channel. Tag questions for practice part 17. S.S.C. Dhaka Board 2019. I am an S.S.C. examinee. I am an S.S.C. examinee, aren't I? My expectation is getting A+. My expectation is getting A+, isn't it? Some of my classmates became addicted to using mobile phone. Some of my classmates became addicted to using mobile phone, didn't they? They could not pass the test exam. They could not pass the test exam, could they? Everybody hates them for this reasons. Everybody hates them for this reasons, don't they? Like, share and subscribe please. Thanks for watching. Learn with Jahangir Sir. Till today, Jahangir Alam teacher, UCEP Bangladesh.